You're not gonna believe this entire video was made in 5 minutes using Kling AI 2.0. Let me show you exactly how I did it. First, I grabbed an image I made earlier using another tool. I think it was CArt or ICArt, doesn't really matter. I just needed a strong visual. Then I dropped it into Kling, and here's where the magic happens. I gave Kling this wild prompt: explosion in the background, high-speed motorcycle chase, steam, traffic, cops, chaos. Kling's DeepSeek engine rewrote my text into a movie-grade prompt like this. A woman in black helmet and gloves accelerates her motorcycle through chaotic traffic. Explosions intensify behind her. Flames engulfing police cars. A helicopter circling above billowing smoke. Fully animated output. 200 credits, done in under 5 minutes. Then I added audio. You can either upload your own or use their built-in music. That cost me 10 more credits. What you're seeing right now, all of it, AI generated, automated, and delivered like a Hollywood trailer. If you want to start making these kinds of AI videos yourself, the link is in the description. Do not sleep on this tool. Videos like this are getting clicks, views, and cash. Subscribe if you want more fast tutorials like this. Drop a comment if you want me to break down other AI tools next. Let's turn this tech into passive income, one video at a time.